In this video today we will see what to do if you get the message this accessory may not be supported while trying to charge your iPhone with the lighting cable. Now the first thing that you have to do in that case is you have to physically inspect the lighting cable. For example, this lighting cable, you have to check if the wire is broken here on this part, and the other thing that you have to check is you have to check this lines here. Check the lines here. If they are dirty, then what you do is wipe it in order to clean these lines here. Now the other thing is, if you are using lighting cable which is not a genuine one, then there might be problem with this lighting cable. So try to find a genuine lighting cable from Apple and see if this will fix the issue. Now if you see that this lighting cable is perfectly fine but still you get the message, then the other thing that you have to do in that case is, you see at the bottom of this iPhone you have this hole where you will insert the lighting cable. Now what you do is take a toothpick like this one or a sharp needle and insert this toothpick or the needle inside this hole, and then gently you have to move it inside this hole. Now what we are trying to do here is, there might be lint or there might be dust which is inside this hole, due to which there won't be a proper connection and you will get the accessory not supported message. So gently remove any dirt which is accumulated inside, and once you have done, try to use the lighting cable and check if this time you will get the message or not. Hopefully this should fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.